Yes, he has declared retirement from international cricket, but not from our hearts. His leadership style, his qualities, and his entire life should be taught in schools and colleges. He is a true legend. Born on 7th July 1981 in Ranchi, India. He has got many names. He has made Team India champion in all three formats under his captaincy, and he is the only captain in the world who has achieved this. Not out in 54 plus innings in ODIs. World record from a wicket-keeper batsman who hit 183 not out. He is a master finisher. List is long. Truly, he is unique. And here is my learning from MS Dhoni.
Motivator in true sense. In many instances, he has motivated many teammates on and off field, like T20 World Cup final against Pakistan, prompting bowlers behind the wicket in code language.
He is self-believer and spontaneous. He does everything by his self-believing attitude. He is firm in this process. His hard work added to his self-confidence make him unique. He is spontaneous. You can see many videos and photographs in which he can be seen meeting with fans, playing with his daughter, playing with dogs, riding bikes on street. Everyone believes he is one of them. He is that spontaneous. He is down to earth. His behavior is like normal people even after achieving so many things. He has got honor of lieutenant and trained in army with fellow soldiers and molded himself from a celebrity cricketer to a soldier. He likes his cars and bikes also, but he loves to ride in auto rickshaw and bicycle. He is honest. He believes in doing everything and anything with complete honesty and has given always best from himself, whether it is lower order batsman or wicket keeper. He has proven himself the best and dependable finisher. His determination and quickiness behind the stumps is unmatchable. He has openness. He does things with openness and communicate everything and anything with unease. He is powerful in communication on the field as well as off the field. He is nimble. His quick action and implementing decision, whether it's batting order, bowling change or fielding change. He is sharp in on-field tactics and agility in decision making. He possesses high level of integrity. His quality to make out what is right at right time. His intelligent mind in taking right decision give the best to prove those on the field. He is also impassive. Like a yogi, he sparks and positivity, whether it is winning or losing. He didn't react like everyone. Rather, he reacted on field by his worth. His calmness is always his strong point. He is truly inspirational for everyone, like you and me. These are the qualities every sportsperson or athlete should cultivate and nurture. Thank you, Mahi.